Next, who is involved?
Who should be involved? The deceased. Doctor, the deceased was a 27-year-old
Was of 18.
was of a 27-year-old was of. Is that the correct thing? So
They tell me the
if my
past.
name, you come and use, it's me you want to come and use and speak wrong English.
It's for this person.
Okay. Sorry. The interview lasted exactly 45 minutes. The candidate did not. Initial findings, you were ditch fire. No, the leg.
Next.
Okay.
Next organ.
Leg.
Next.
Legs. Legs.
And instead of looking for job, you appear. You appear like someone. I don't look at you. Lord, give me strength. This next examination is delicate. Let's maintain professionalism. Contribution to that.
Chair mismanagement disorder.
Contribution to that.
Chair mismanagement disorder. Stage 3. Severity. Advanced. Advanced. First, they at first, the patient sat at the edge of the chair. The chair was charging. As the chair was charging for several minutes, only 5% of the patients were trying to touch the chair. Yeah. At first, and began relaxing like she was watching Netflix. Netflix and chill. My back is aching me. You know, I just myself, man. Sorry, you can't do this. Oh yeah.
It was an exhibition.
Exactly.
No evidence.
Doctor. The patient crossed and uncrossed legs. Nineteen times within 6 minutes.
Oh my god.